Welcome back. It's art time, class. Today, for our digital art activity, we are going to be looking at the Walk of Art contest. Let's get started. I have exciting news, guys. Our local art association and our city council are teaming up to decorate our very own downtown area. We are going to be decorating crosswalks. This is so exciting. For this activity, you can use any of the digital art apps that you're comfortable with. I'm going to be showing you a little bit about Notes right up here. Let's take a close look. Over in Notes, you're going to open up a new page. Click on the little circle with the 3 little dots, and you're going to see line and grids. I recommend clicking on the largest line sets. This is going to be a great guideline while you're doing your drawing. Next, go ahead and click on the markup tool that we worked with last time. It's that circle with the little pin icon in the middle. That's going to give you all of your markup tools down below. Go ahead and start drawing. Come up with something that you enjoy. I'm going to do a rainbow because, me gusta arcoiris. I love rainbows. Here we go, a little orange. Now, this contest is open to all adults, students. You can team up with your family and create a design together, a real team project, or you can do it by yourself. It is up to you. Need a little purple too. When you're done with your design, go back with the erase tool and use these guidelines to erase. A nice clean edge here at the bottom, and then in between each of the lines, I'm going to erase so that it looks more like a crosswalk. And here is my rainbow crosswalk idea. You can save this image or take a screenshot and send it to me, and I will present these to our art association and the city council when we pick our final selections to bring to the contest. Till next time, class, keep being creative. And you can enter more than one design idea, by the way.